What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over Turbo. Excuse the mess. As I mentioned in the last video, I just switched to Airbnbs. So I'm still getting organized and, a tad bit lazy today. So we're gonna look at Turbo. We're sitting at 0.004377. We're down 3.2 on the day. See, market cap 281 million. 24-hour volume is 54 million. So if we look at the chart, off the low at 0.0029, we pushed up in a wave 1, we pulled back in a 2. So now we're looking to push up in a wave 3. That would take you up to 0.0063. Now, as you can see, you already have a 5-wave move. 1, 2, there's your 3, there's your 4, there's your 5. And now we're pulling back. So what you can do, take a fib retracement from the bottom of that impulse to the top, and you can target. Right now we're sitting at the golden ratio, in between the golden ratio and the 78.6 for a bounce. If the 78.6 breaks, it increases the likelihood of coming down and breaking. Oh, no, that's wrong. It's supposed to be right here. So you have 1, 2. Yeah, my apologies, guys. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. So yeah, we're just sitting underneath the 50%. So it looks like we're going to come down to either the golden ratio or the 78.6. Of course, you can bounce from here. This is the target zone. If the 78.6% breaks, it increases the likelihood of coming down and breaking that low. But as of right now, I do think the higher likelihood is you're going to bounce from the zone. Could offer a nice long entry opportunity. If you see a bounce off one of these areas, you can wait for the 50% level to break and then take your entry to ride it up in the wave 3. But I do think there's a very good chance that that plays out. If 0.0040 has a clear break, it increases the likelihood of breaking that low. That's how Elliott wave theory works. And of course, if we zoom out quickly, it's been following our analysis beautifully. Wave 1 to the upside off the bottom here. Wave 2 pullback, and then you're looking to push up in that wave 3, which gives us a target right around 0.02, which is the 1.618 extension, which is normal for a wave 3. So that's what we're looking at for our friend Turbo. Nice to see some movement off these lows here. Bruh. So you'll look for a bounce from that target zone. And then basically you'll push up in that larger wave 3. We already measured it out. It has a target of 0.00636. If you want completely free access to my Forex signals as well as my daily crypto analysis, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Once you sign up, just send me an email. The email is linked in the top of the comments, and I'll give you completely free access. We're up like 50% on the month. Yeah, so 40. Yeah, we're up over 50%, which is insane. Which means if you were risking 2% per trade for Forex, if you had a $10,000 account, that's over $5,000 profit. If you had $100,000, that's over 50K in profit. So completely free access. Very easy to trade Forex, as well as I give my daily crypto analysis for many projects. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, then just send me an email, and I'll give you the link to the Discord, and you're good to go. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord now, which is awesome. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.